Comme mentionné dans la vidéo précédente, pour s'inscrire dans le cours d'immersion, il faut en premier aller à notre site web. Puis, trouver l'onglet des cours et cliquer là-dessus. Look at the schedule to see what section, which refers to what date and time the class is being held, will have an FLS 2581 or 3581 class assigned to it. Make sure you are choosing the right section for both the content course and the FLS 2581 and 3581 course. Par exemple, pour prendre Psychologie 1501, assurez-vous de vérifier dans quelle section vous vous inscrivez. Il y a deux sections, section B00 et section C00. Personnellement, je veux m'inscrire au cours les mardis et les jeudis, alors je vais choisir section B00. Puis, je vais regarder le site web de gauche à droite et voir que Psychologie 1501, peu importe la section, peut être associée avec FLS 2581 section S00 ou FLS 2581 section R00. Je veux les cours les mercredis, alors je vais choisir FLS 2581 section S00. Now, you might be asking, how do I actually enroll these courses? You want to make your way over to Eurozone. From there, click on the Applications tab. Then, scroll down to Enroll and click on it. Make sure you select the right semester. I'm going to choose the fall semester. Remember that on May 19, you're enrolling for both the winter and fall semester at the same time, so you have to plan out for both semesters. Select Search, then type in the subject code, for example, PSY for Psychology, next to Subject, and then 1501 next to course number. You will see all the sections for the course, but remember in our example, you're looking for section B00. Once you click Select, make sure to also choose Waitlist if class is full. Then the class is added to your shopping cart. The shopping cart is a space where you get to build your schedule, and it'll make it easier when it comes time for enrollment. From there, you'll want to go back to Search to add your other classes. For example, FLS 2581, section S00. If you're unsure that you're selecting the right section, note that under the course code, it'll say FLS 2581 for PSY 1501 or Psychology 1501. Make sure to enroll in the content course first, and then the FLS 2581 course or 3581 course for immersion courses. Continue in this portal to add your other courses. And once you're all ready to go, on the day of enrollment, May 19, you can go into your shopping cart and click Finish Enrolling. Remember that just having the courses in your shopping cart is not enough. You have to manually click to enroll in them too.